Hey guys, I hope you're fine. In this short video, I'll show you how to create a virtual machine inside the VMware Esxi host. And we will also install the Windows 10 operating system into that virtual machine. And finally, we will install VMware tool inside that machine as well. So let's start. So let's connect to our host. Here you go. Click on virtual machine, create or register virtual machine. As I'm going to install Windows 10 and I have to select guest OS family as Windows and then Windows 10. I have to select the data store. Need to specify the CPUs, RAM assigned to this virtual machine like 8 GB. And then I have to select the virtual machine's hard disk size. I think 32 GB is enough for this video. I need to select the thin provisions virtual machines because I have less space in my data store and this is not a production, not a critical machine, else I would have to select the thick provisions. Now I have to select ISO file. It's placed in my other data store. Now I'm ready to start this virtual machine. When you will power on, you will get the error on the first screen. Let me show. This one, it's not booting. To boot this virtual machine, we need to make some changes. Let's go back to virtual machine options and then boot options. Either you have to select this check, enable uefi secure boot, or you can select the BIOS recommended and save it. And now you have to power off this virtual machine and then power on again. Here you go. Okay. Select language as you desire. Click next. Click on install now button. You need to accept. As I'm going to install a new clean operating system, so I have to select this second option. And now we have to make the partitions. Let's make the first partition for 25 GB, like 20 GB. And then rest of amount of space will goes to other drive or volume like D drive. I'll have to select this one, the partition 2, to install my operating system. Now the installation has been started. Okay, now we have to select the region. The next we have to select the keyboard layout. And if you want to add the additional layout, then you have to press add layout button, or else you can press the skip button. Now you have to specify the name of the person who is going to use this computer. Now you have to make some password. Alright, the machine has been created. Now we have to install VMware tools inside this virtual machine to get better performance. Once you will reboot this virtual machine, next you will get the better graphics. And that's it. Thanks for watching.